Y'all, I'm pranking my wife by chewing gum loud and obnoxiously in front of her. Let's see how long she can last before she pops off.
You okay? What, stop? Would you stop?
Stop what?
You like all of them. You're right here.
Is this right here?
Why do you have to chew gum like that?
What are you talking about?
You literally in my face chewing.
Are you getting irritated?
A little bit.
You signed them papers.
Oh, you gonna pull that card, huh?
You signed them, not me.
Babe. Enough! You gonna kill that doggone gum.
You told me I could have anything I want when we got married.
Yeah, but not this. This is my square right here. See?
You don't have a square.
See?
You're married.
You blocking.
Hello?
Babe! Would you stop? 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3. What the heck is bothering me?
Stop!
What the hell is wrong with you?
What's wrong with you?
I'm doing something, actually.
I'm just watching you.
Watch me do. Stop that. Stop. How about you?
I'm
close your
watching
jaw?
you. I'm watching you roll your devil's
Close-
lettuce. Why are you staring at me like that?
Because you can go somewhere else and do that.
No, I can go where the hell I want to. I'm watching you do it.
I can't concentrate because you like right here.
So now I'm not allowed in your space?
I have a square. Give me that gum. Give it to me. Spit it out. Give it to me. Nah. In the trash. Don't. Oh, I thought you wanted on one.
What, like my AI?
Yeah.
If you like the look, this is in my TikTok shop.